Is your adorable pup turning their nose up at mealtime? Don't worry, we've all been there, and this guide will have your furry friend licking their bowl clean in no time. Step 1. Establish a routine. Puppies thrive on predictability. Set specific feeding times each day. Usually 3 to 4 meals for young puppies. Consistency helps their digestive system and signals when it's time to refuel, transforming mealtime from an option into an expectation. Step 2. Choose the right food and bowl. Opt for high-quality puppy kibble, specifically designed for their growth stage. Make sure the kibble is appropriately sized for their mouth then. Select a clean, shallow bowl that's easy for them to access and won't cause frustration. Step 3. Make mealtime exciting. Don't just dump the food and walk away first. Try warming the kibble slightly with a little warm water or low-sodium broth. This intensifies the aroma and can make it much more appealing. You can also try topping it with a tiny spoonful of wet puppy food or a sprinkle of plain, unsweetened yogurt. Step 4. Positive reinforcement is key when your puppy approaches the bowl or shows interest in the food. Offer gentle praise and maybe even a tiny training treat. Never force-feed them. The goal is to create a positive association with their food. Step 5. Manage picky eating and loss of appetite. If your puppy is consistently refusing food, try leaving the bowl down for only 15-20 minutes. If they don't eat, pick it up and offer it again at the next scheduled mealtime. This teaches them not to be a grazer. And that food is available at set times. However, if this continues for more than 24 hours or your puppy shows other signs of illness, always consult your veterinarian immediately. Finally, create a calm feeding environment. Minimize distractions during mealtimes. Feed them in a quiet area where they feel safe and secure. Avoid playing with them or letting other pets or people interrupt their dining experience. A peaceful environment allows them to focus on their meal.